In this video, we're going to be looking at ratio where the total is unknown. Now the question says Chris and Mark share some money in the ratio of 3 to 5. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw out the boxes for Chris, who's got 3 parts, and Mark, who has got 5 parts. Now we know that Mark has got £45. So Mark's share is worth £45. And we're asked to work out how much Chris has. So first of all, we need to work out what 1 part is worth. So to do that, we've got the £45 that Mark has and the 5 shares that Mark has. Now 5 into 4 doesn't go, so move the 4 across, and then that gives us 9. So we know that every single share is worth £9. That's Mark's shares and Chris's shares, £9 each. Now we're asked how much Chris has. So we need 3 lots of 9, which will give us £27. Now here it says Steve and Jane share a lottery win in the ratio of 7 to 3. So let's draw out Steve's boxes first. And Steve will have 7 boxes. And then Jane will have 3 boxes. So it says if Steve receives £4,200, so we know Steve, with his 7 shares, gets £4,200. So we're going to divide the 4,200 divided by 7. 7 doesn't go into 4. 7 goes into 42 6 times. And then there's 2 zeros. So we know that every share is worth 600. So now we've got all the shares filled in. This time it isn't asking us how much Jane receives. It's asking about how much to get in total. So we know Jane will get 1,800. So to work out how much to get in total, you got 4,200. Add the 1,800, which will give you £6,000. And finally, we're told the recipe requires flour, butter and milk in the ratio of 7 to 4 to 5. So let's draw those out. So we know that flour is the first lot, butter is the second lot, and milk is the third lot. Now we're told there's 480 grams of butter. So the butter is worth 480 grams. So to work out what 1 share is, we'll do 480 divided by the 4. So that goes 1, 2 and 0. So now we know every single share is worth 120. So we need to work out the flour. So for flour, we've got 120 multiplied by the 7 shares that we've got. And that will give us the 840 grams. For the milk, we've got the 120 multiplied by the 5 shares that we've got. And that will give us 600 millilitres of milk.